back to home page. The next thing would be multimedia text. And as you look at the left side, the link is there. Open a new tab. Everything we need pretty much is here for intermediate algebra. We have the ebook and the online ebook. We also have examples, class lectures, video lectures, and more importantly, in my opinion, the PowerPoint. So you can find all the PowerPoints here on the right side, and that should take care of just about everything you need. The same thing for the next chapter, and each module contains 2 chapters. At the bottom of the module 1, you see practice test number 1, which pertains to the first 2 chapters we cover. So what you need to print is the instructor's practice test. I recommend you do it on a daily basis. And when you're done, consult the instructor's practice test solution to be on the safe side. There are more practice tests available to you, but the instructor's practice test is the one that you print and bring along to the review session.